This is an example of using XScan for remote desktop via Webdriver. Here I have a Mac. I need to start by notating the IP address of the machine running Webdriver. Next, I need to launch Webdriver. I would do this via Utilities and Terminal. I have Selenium stored in my Downloads directory, so I will switch to Downloads, do an ls command to verify that Selenium standalone server is located there, and then execute the Java command to launch Webdriver. Once I verify that Selenium is running, I need to notate the port that it's on. I'll now switch to Tosca and scan a remote desktop. Once XScan opens, I will either type in or choose the remote machine running Webdriver, choose the browser, enter the browser version, enter the OS version, and then enter or choose the URL that I want to scan. I then click Start Browser. On the remote machine, we will see the Selenium command execute, and the browser will open. Once it's completely open, Tosca will see the browser, and at this point, I can start scanning for objects in the application.